Wala, kulang pa ako. You gotta be kidding me! Yan ang halo ng anak ng bomba. Oh my God. Patayin ko na si Mother Brain. Sa steamer na yung raid. Here's the raid command, mga kaibigan. And here's the raid command for those who subscribe my channel. Please standby sa steamer na yung raid ko. Okay, ganito na lang. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you next time. Goodbye and God bless, and good night. Claire. Ay ko lang yung... And clear the bedroom stage. Okay, here we go. Tingnan natin. This is going to be tough.
Leon!
Claire, you made it!
Yeah. Have you seen a little girl around here?
Yeah.
The only reason na alam ko ang ending niyan dahil kay Jean.
I am the sock master.
Ano ang cellphone streamer pa si Gingerbread?
Ay! Wala, GG talaga.
Oo, yung before siya talaga nag-transition to P.
Ay! Johannes, hindi to Super Metroid. Metroid Zero Mission to.
Tangina po. Rebecca!
Ito na si Mr. X. Ayun! There it is. I get used to it. Oh my God! Pangontra na ako kay Mr. X. Loko siya, ah. Just the stairs here. Let's go! Okay, we finished Dino Piranha and now a snack for cosmic proportions. Kunin ko muna yung tatlong magti-trigger lang yung pagsabog kapag ano.
What the fuck? What the hell is that? Their faces in the cutscene there. What year was this game made again?
Okay, that's one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, okay, that's it. Wala. Oo nga, no, may save point nga. Thanks. Or it's just me na hindi ko talaga matandaan.
Yay! Finally.
Test. Oh my god. Something's wrong with the chat box. Wait, I have to... Oh, never mind. Never mind, I thought my chat box was...
Hindi niya kailangan.
Placed the Raccoon City under martial law because of the cannibal disease.
Patayin ko lang
I
muna
have lost
tong...
contact with the media outside of the city, but I won't give up as a journalist. I won't keep my eyes shut and walk away. I have a duty to the people in my profession. I don't think the disease has spread.
I am the Saksak Master!
Oh.
Tapos marinig ko stars. Naku, paktay tayo.
Inang puno yan.
Babalikan ko yung gunpowder. Kailangan ko yan, hindi lang sa shotgun. Kailangan ko para sa grenade launcher.
Pangin ang pangit ng camera.
Okay.
What's going on?
No way! That monster just doesn't give up!
Thanks for the 3 bits, Trickster.
No, it's been waiting for you!
Teka muna itong mga bago, ano? Last ba? UG version, correct.
Ano, akala ko UG version. Ano UG? Parang Japanese.
Pauso ka na naman, Otbo!
Yuji.
Bo! Bo! Now to find the last one. Ayun. Hindi.
Tanga ni Carlos talaga.
Carlos, the kulot.
Carlos! Shoot the fucking... You idiot!
Nikolai will shoot that.
Like the game once you actually know how to do the shortcuts in that game. Ayun, may mga zombie na naman. Or di ko lang siguro pinatay.
Wala kasi, ba't kasi walang blue herbs eh? Yeah. Okay, that's it. Kunin ko na yung machine gun doon pagkatapos.
If it feels great, you should sleep with your mouth open.
Ayoko na makita pa mo mukha mo, Mr. X, ha? Nandito ba si Mr. X? At... Okay, mukhang didiretso na ako ng sewers. Kunin ko na yung crank pagkatapos. Diretso na ako ng third floor, then... Ay, hindi, may shortcut pala doon, naalala ko na. Ba't ko sinabi? Kasi naglaro ko ng Leon A eh.
Andito na si
Dapat pala yung machine. Oh my god, may big regret. I have no choice kung dito. Kung ito mo.
Sino man ang kamukha?
Kala ko may ligir.
Kung ikaw ay maliit, ngunit
Yan. Ginamit ko na yung crank. And now, kapitin ko na yung ano. Yan. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down.
Abalit, blah, blah, blah,
Get away!
Wala, napatay na si... Wala, na-slice si Ben. Na-slice. Kung sa Leon, eh, pinakain niya na parang... parang uod. Ito, pinatay eh.
Ben!
Or never mind.
Can you still hear me? Come on, answer! Damn! I don't believe this. I almost got the story. Ben.
Come on, answer me.
Bitter irony. The chief of police, a co-conspirator. Get that scum. Make
that scum.
him
Make him
hang in
pay.
there, Ben.
Money.
Wala na. That's the Ben.
Leon.
Yeah, si Mr. X yata yung nag-ano yan eh. Or si
Hindi,
Birkin.
hindi. Si, ano, si William Birkin. Si William Birkin may pakana.
Oof. That's nasty.
Only 1% of the remaining stars members. Redfield, Valentine, Burton, Chambers, and Vickers. Si Brad Vickers. If it comes to that evidence as a research, dispose them. Wala. Walang hiya tong si William Birkin.
Kilala mo si ni William Burger.
Yan tayo eh. Oh!
William Burger.
Where are you going, Ada?
To the chemical plant. I have a feeling that's where I'll find John.
I am William Burger.
Ada, wait!
I know the
Hey!
most delicious food.
Okay, that.
Leon, are you still there? We're leaving.
Are you crazy? The streets are still crawling with zombies.
It'll be all right. Trust me. We found a way to the sewer. Follow us later.
Claire! Claire!
Sorry,
Wait, wait!
May bagong
Man,
daanan.
why doesn't anyone ever listen to me?
Okay. Well, at least makakuha pa ako ng green herb dito. Nothing special on Ben's cell.
Last I give you it last time.
At least sinulit ko yung machine gun kay Mr. X.
Mr. X.
The next time you spam that again, Adam, I will ban you. Please, do not
Parang
spam the
yata
chat.
yun eh.
Hindi siya bot or so.
You heard the guy.
Okay, sige, save muna ako. Then, didiretso ko to sa sewer. Konting extend muna. Ano pa si Mr. X? Teka, alam ko na. Temporary tago ko muna yung machine gun. Pagkatapos, gamitin ko yung magnum at shotgun. Patayin ko muna yung halimaw. Okay, that's it. Tapos mag-carry ako ng 2 healing items dito. Hindi, isa lang. It's best isa lang. Yung handgun, total medyo useless naman siya eh. Isang first aid spray. Let's go. Mas maganda magnum. Labanan ko to ah. Okay, here we go. Ah! Si William ang kalaban ko. Huwag kang hampas. clutch.
Where do you think you're going,
Awit
Bob?
ka, awit ka, awit ka, awit ka, awit ka. Awit ka. Cut. This is bad. Opo, ba't ka nagpahulog? Si William palapang po. Ayos ah.
Yeah. Yan yung may dala-dalang stick, no?
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Hindi siya stick, parang iba.
I call it stick because it's sticky. Di joke lang.
Ada! What was that all about? Running off like that was reckless and stupid. Those zombies are everywhere. Not to mention that thing that got Ben.
I was there, Leon. I know.
Look, Ada. As an officer, it's my job to look out for you. But we're not going to get through this alive if we don't work together. Okay?
All right. We'll do this your way for now.
Pani Ada yung ano? Yung necklace ni Sherry.
Hi, Janine.
Hi, guys.
Yo, Janine. Sana
Yo,
masarap ang ulam nyo.
guys. Sana masarap ang ulam nyo.
Siyempre. Nakapos ka lang na aking masarap na ulam.
Anong ulam?
Fried chicken. No?
Masarap.
Wala na katapusan ng fried chicken.
O bakit? Masarap naman na.
Oo.
Kahit naman ako. I won't complain. At least something.
Naglalaway ako. Kahit alam kong nakakain na ako, naglalaway pa rin ako. Not sure if that makes any sense at all.
It's okay.
Naging ano eh, lilo dyan eh. Ay, si Maui oh.
Yo, Maui.
Nahanap mo si Kinain mo na si
Kanina pa natulog si Juan.
Definitely it's a talaga. Natin mo.
Hindi si Jay kasi ano eh, hindi lang talaga maganda yung ano namin.
Oo, yeah, isa rin yan.
Okay, that's it. Mukhang hanggang dito na lang muna. Save ko na tong game na to.
Para naman PLDT na naman.
Bakit ba kaya?
At least nakarating na, like I said, hanggang sewers lang ako. Coincidence, sa control room din ako tumigil doon kay Claire A.
Okay na. Parang may umutot eh.
Rambaho.
At dahil parang may umutot na ako na.
Okay.
Kumbaho
With
nga.
that, okay. With that mga kaibigan, tutuloy ko na lang next stream.
Hindi pwede. Continue mo yan ngayon.
Joke. Hindi ayaw pinapa-end siya na si Dantes eh.
Parang yung, o kaya yung tulungin.
Hindi pwede. Ako lang pwede mag-end.
Hindi pa ako nakapag-stream no.
Okay. Sa ngayon mga kaibigan, hanggang dito na lang muna yung stream ko. Tuloy ko na lang yung RE2 next stream. Medyo sigurado ako medyo mas mapapahaba ako. Mas mahaba pa kaysa dun sa previous. Okay? Let's close this open.
The joke lang.
Okay, sige. Let's close the open. Okay. Well, anyways, that's all for this live stream. Shout out to the following.
You will never end.
Huge shout out to John Wick. Sa pagdaan sa stream ko. John Wick, kung gising ka pa at nanonood, thanks sa pagdaan. Next, Jerome ko, Eric Perello, then J with the H, the true RE master. Then then wala na. Salamat sa pag-drop by. Sa mga nag-smash ng reaction button, sina Jinjin, also known as Gingerbread, Kabayan, Nikki Makinyana, Vernisco, Joey George Roxer, pati si Alvin George Tapos ng Roxer Gaming, Kuya Chepoy Meneses, Angela James Selvega ng Goody TV Gaming, Len Umani O'Brien, also known as Mom Shibels, Teo Sparkles, Francis Palma, Ryan Banalo, Jerome Ko, at Chris Fermin. Salamat sa pag-drop by at sa pag-smash ng reaction button. Next naman. Okay, next naman dito sa Twitch. Huge shout out Ice Empress sa pag-raid. Next, JBT831, Martin Game Ward, Miss Queen Ami G Dula, Kurik Super,
No end.
Kuya L Gaming, then Ma'am Shibels, Min Chips Gaming,
Gini-interrupt, no?
Reynald, yan si Reynald, and of course yes, Crimson Phil. Thanks for dropping by.
Yeah.
Happy viewing and lurking to Digitamer 43, the next Pokemon Master. Rocky 15.
You did not just say that.
Si Rocky 15 nandito. Alam ko, Rocky, naka-lurk ka, kaya ayan. Ito, bigyan kita ng shoutout.
The joke lang.
Ang laro ay Diablo 2? Wow! Diablo ba? What's Diablo 2?
Taga na Jabro, parang Jamaican, no? Yeah, welcome to the Jabro!
Loko. Okay, ayan. Rocky, kung gising ka pa, ayan, shoutout sa'yo.
Yeah, man. This is Jamaica sensation. Bo.
Wow. Ayos ha.
Mukhang inaantok yung mga tao dito eh.
Okay.
Ako lang siguro yung namumulat yung mata eh, yung parang literal na ano.
Dapat nga gising pa ako. Gising ako kasi afternoon dito eh.
Grabe, Rocky, ang haba naman ng clip mo ah.
Kanya lang kasi malamig eh.
Kumakanta.
Malamig.
Ayan. Still, thanks for dropping by.
Matulog pag malamig.
Sa mga viewers na nanonood as of this time, and sa mga replay live stream na ito, to all the viewers watching my stream as of this time, and to all the viewers watching replay of the stream. Likewise, don't forget to like, share, and follow That Is Gaming Facebook page. Don't forget to like, share, and follow That Is Gaming Facebook page. That's what to Twitch and channel for more awesome games.
I will forget with you and
Horror. Ha, ayan, sige. We got a candidate sa pagre-raid.
I will forget if you end.
Okay, here we go. Sige. Here's my raid command, mga kaibigan. Alam ko at na-alert ka kanina or nanonood. Ayan. Pero kung subscriber ka naman, this is the other one.
Where?
Okay. Ayan. Please stand by sa stream ni raid ko. Ayan, bago matulog. Okay. Hanggang din na lang. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, see you next time. Goodbye and God bless and good night. Takbo.
Bigyan mo ako ng kiss mo. Ay! Ay, Diyos ko. Sige, halika dito.
Nako.
Ay! Tangin na, you want kiss? Pakinggan mo yung 1980s na...
Bye! Talon. Tile. Second tile. Third tile.
Alis na ako sa taas.
Step. Jump! Laman eh! Oh, dito yata ako. Then what is this? Nag-charging station pa ako.
Okay. And then, kailangan ko ba itong wrench na to? Do I need this ba? O hindi naman? Hindi naman yata siguro, no?
Yan muna. Okay. Kaya mo yan.
Eh, dapat nag-save ako, awit. Well, anyways, here we go. Yo, what's up, guys? Good evening. This is Landay. So, welcome to the live stream. Thanks for watching, like, our stream. Again. And share. Yo, what's up, guys? Good evening. Ano ba yan? Flying tactics. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
So ito na, okay na talaga to, no? Kasi ba, i-finalize ko na to. Kung ganito na yung...
Putik na kalusot pa siya?
May tanong na to, may makuha ba ako? Ay, takina.
Defeat the clown racers. Si Michi.
Oh, shut up! Shut
Ano ba yung tanong?
If I'm going to lose, grab that mushroom.
Dinosaur! Yay!
Dino Crisis kasi.
Pag nasa danger, junk ako.
Napaka-bullshit na. Di ba nakita nyo, nakatago lang ako? Paano nalaman nung kalaban na nandun ako? Hindi ako umingay or... Di ba? Alam niyo yung ibig sabihin ko? I was hidden all along.
Alright. That one's
Wala namang rango dito sa Resident Evil 1 eh.
Wait lang ah.
Kung gaano karaming skills ang ginamit mo.
Search their body. O ano to?
Wala na.
Never mind. Kala ko kung ano nakita ko.
Wala ako mapapala sa mga yan. Balik ka sa maliit na gate.
Okay lang. Patawin ka naman. Kapit ka. That's it. Pag napali... Oh my god.
Claire!
Leon!
I'm okay.
Pangatlo. Yo!
Bumalik ako muli. Kanina lang.
Yeah.
Ayan, this time naka-stream ako.
Okay, sige.
Okay, sige. Ako'y maglalaro na ng Leon B.
Wag na ako tamaan ito kasi alam ko nakaka-damage to eh, yung guillotine. Di ba yan yung ano ng ano, di ba yung shaving? Guillotine, the best a man can get.
Hindi siya automatic na magagawa mo talaga. Timing na, sabi ni Zaido, di ba? Siyempoan mo talaga kung kailan.
Guys, I'm sorry
Ano gusto mo kainin ko rin? Pusit
Ala,
talaga na. Puro
marunong
pagkain na
magpiano
lang.
si Jill? Hindi marunong magpiano si Chris? Ano ba yan?
Si Chris kasi ang gusto niya ano eh, rock.
Uy! Nick GTV! Thanks for the raid!
Wow, try moves. Say, but let's start the game.
Wait just a moment.
Kaya tayo lahat. Taka na, Vietnamese yan. Tamo eh.
Ay na, parang trumpo po. Wait lang. Oh my god. Oh my god. Pakinan, chinokes lang pa ako.
Nagre-resting pala tong siya ano eh. Uncovered. Wow.
Wow, ayaw lumapit. Yes. Gusto mo at isama kita sa gusto ko. Ay!
Anong gusto ni Ot? Wow ah. Yun.
Ah, shit! Nakakainis itong kalaban na ito.
Well, on the right side, makakuha pa ako ng power bomb dito. Ay, malobat to eh.
Ayun, namatay.
Opo, localize yung shiny ko.
Thanks for the free pass, baby.
Ah, okay. Hindi talaga kaya. Yo, nice. Yoko ka. Makapag-farm pa naman ng extra life dito eh. Wala ka! Where's that hungry Luma? I know! There's hungry Luma somewhere. Thanks for the night, Derek!
No!
I hate this game!
Extraction shooter part ng
Oh my god.
3 game modes na siya.
For Survivor, hindi ko nga na-clear. Ito pa kaya?
Alam ko yung ibig sabihin ng Gaijin, alam ko yan. Adam, have you played? Okay. They asked.
Sorry guys, I just got distracted.
Awat Mika. This game doesn't follow its own.
I need to recover Samus's soup. Oh my god. Kailangan di ako may ispatan. Kailangan Smash Brawl or Smash. Possibly Smash for Wii U. Tingnan natin kung may makukuha pa ako doon. Dulas. Ito ako sa FB! Uy!
Gusto ko sana maglaro ng Netflix. Pambili ka sa ibang website na buwate. Oh, Diyos ko!
Di, kaya. Haba ng buhay. De. Wait, tayo dito. Sige, pag bullet bill, sige. One minute 30 seconds. Dapat na iwasan.
Kala ko may auto ano na to? Oh man.
I think starting zone ko. Yep, this is definitely the starting zone. Go o pumasok doon. Okay, gets na.
Yeah, baby!
Nakuha ko yung strat.
Ganun. I don't think this is the true form of Lord Mayo eh. Imposible.
Ano mo na?
Teka lang. Dahil po ay I'm very good at suspicious. Eh. Walang iya naman. Gamit ako ng flame rounds yan.
A payphone. I am a payphone, try to call.
What? That's a race? Takes a lot. Hearing the word race. My God.
Lang okay nga yan eh. Kailangan yung contact mapansin.
Putay na angas. Sir, yan, nandiyan po yung contact. Ay, oo, yung contact.
Yung contact, wala akong pakialam. Yung design maganda.
No go stage fast.
Don't know where I am. Don't look at me. Pero try mo muna ang shinobi to. Max combo? Tama naman dito. Pucha. Hindi ko talaga Hold on. Meron pa akong 20 may 19 minutes.
What I'm talking about. Ito pala. Papasok ako sa Saberverse Productions kaya disclaimer lang R18 talaga ang content doon. So
tatakbo lang muna ako siguro dito mangungulekta lang ako ng pera para para makabili ako ng solid cannon. Yun ang gusto ko, early solid cannon Ito pala. Ito yung maganda pag maraming handgun Pag maraming handgun bullets.
Ano? Gandang gabi, ayok. Sorry, di nakatambay masyado na. Okay lang! Teacher ka. Nasim din ako.
Ayan
Sila Dice to.
Kasama ko ngayon sila Sir Pao, Dandice, ito si Als. Sino pa ba? Si Minchips. Di ko alam kung nasaan to. Nasa ibang mundo yata to si Minchips.
Bad idea to go there. Enemy base again. Extra lives here. Hindi pa naman to point of no return,
The return of no point.
Woo! No return na. Okay.
Wait, where?
Ito. May isa pa para
However,
nasa na kaya yung isang photo? Hindi ko makita yung isang photo dito.
Raccoon City Police
Where the fuck are you? Magpakita.
Ito, hindi ko na kaya napatayin yan.
Ang laki ng butas ng puwet mo, isip ka.
Walang sabi yan at
T-Rex kasi yung kalaban ko eh. Oh, galing oh. Too legit to quit. Too legit. Ang inang nga nagulat ako dun. Son of a bitch! What the fuck? Oh my god. What the fuck? That
Welcome, Raiders. Yotrix, sir. Paano ba dito?
Alam bala!
Ang moment eh.
Bocha, natutuwa ako dito sa gawa ko.
Ano kailangan patayin yung Strange? Oh my god.